Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin on Android, make sure WhatsApp is updated and create a fresh local backup so messages are ready to export. Next, open Move to iOS on Android and follow its pairing code. This moves account info and media placeholders. While the phones connect, keep them on the same Wi-Fi and plugged in because interruptions corrupt the migration. Once paired, select WhatsApp data transfer in the Move to iOS flow and let the preparatory export run until it completes successfully. Once the Android export finishes, Move to iOS sends a data packet to the iPhone. This includes your WhatsApp chat history and media. Install WhatsApp on the iPhone when instructed and sign in with the same phone number. This verifies ownership and triggers the import. Make sure you grant WhatsApp permission to access files and contacts so messages and media can be written to the iPhone file system. If media sizes are large, the import takes longer, so remain patient and keep both devices awake. Finish the iPhone setup and open WhatsApp. The app will detect the transferred data and prompt you to complete the import. Tap Continue and wait. After import, confirm chats and media display correctly, then enable iCloud backup to preserve the new iPhone backup. If something goes wrong, check free storage on the iPhone, restart both devices, and rerun Move to iOS. Often a simple retry after freeing space resolves partial imports. If you still get errors, repeat with a wired connection to improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.